Hey friends, if you wish to see system information on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So search for system information in the Windows search bar and open system information. So here's how you can view all the system information with the basic summary on the first page, but you can expand and check each and every category of system information. Okay, like the hardware, the memory, the RAM, and the status of every component of the memory and the components as well. Like I don't have a CD or DVD ROM, so it will show blank here. Let us check for other multimedia devices. It will show the codecs, it will show the sound devices, it will show the storage. I'll have to expand it and check it. So I can check every possible system information here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.